In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to Instacart. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. Adding a gift card will allow you to use it as a payment method for your grocery purchases, making your shopping experience smoother. Let's get started. First, open a browser and search for Instacart. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type Instacart into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official Instacart website, which typically appears at the top of the search results. This step is crucial because accessing the right website ensures a secure and smooth transaction. Next, click the correct link and log in. You will be directed to the Instacart homepage. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials, including your email address and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Logging in allows you to access your account settings where you can manage payment methods, including gift cards. Once logged in, you will feel more confident knowing you are in your personal account space. Now click Account or your name in the top left corner. This option is typically represented by your profile picture or initials. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options related to your account, including settings for payment methods. Accessing your account information is essential because it is where you can make all necessary changes regarding how you pay for your orders. From there, select gift cards from the drop-down menu. This option will take you to a dedicated section for managing gift cards. Here, you can view any existing gift cards associated with your account. If you have multiple gift cards, this is where you can keep track of their balances. This step is important because it ensures you are in the right place to add a new gift card, avoiding any confusion later in the process. After that, click Add, then enter the multi-digit gift card code. You will see a field where you can type in the code found on your gift card. Be sure to enter the code accurately, as any mistake could prevent you from successfully adding the funds. After entering the code, double-check it to ensure all digits are correct. This little step saves you a lot of time later by avoiding any errors that might require you to start the process over. Next, click Add Funds. This action confirms that you want to apply the gift card code to your account. Once you click this button, you may see a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully added. This step is critical because it finalizes the addition of the gift card, allowing you to use the balance for future purchases. Now that you have successfully added your gift card, you are ready to shop on Instacart. You can use the funds to cover your grocery bills, making the process easier and more convenient. Always remember to check your gift card balance regularly, especially before making large purchases. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of using a gift card on Instacart effortlessly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Instacart's customer support for assistance. Happy shopping!